So it all depends on what you're looking for. I came for this naughty little offer. A large bottle of FE's, 130. We're going to take a look in Zane's where you can now pick up the magazine, sunnymarmaris.uk. The magazine's just over here as well. Even if you're not buying, you can still come to Zane's, you can grab a magazine and then take a look around and see what all the fuss is about and why Zane in Armatelin has so many returning customers. Then I've got myself a pair of jeans. Oh, there's the England top, everyone ready for the World Cup. Jeans over in this section, as well as men's jumpers just over here. Look at this breakfast. This is the Dad Loves Food special. Dad Loves Food mega breakfast at the lounge in İçmeler. It's that big. The toast comes separate. 4 toast, 4 eggs, 2 bacon, 2 black pudding, 2 sausage, 2 beans, 2 croquettes, potato croquettes, 2 grilled tomatoes, plenty of mushrooms and 2 portions of beans. £10. Right everyone, so I'm at Grand Bazaar in Marmaris. Now you choose which bazaar is better. Is it the old Grand Bazaar, which is down there, with a roof on? Or is it the new Grand Bazaar, the new floors, no roof, the new brickwork on all the shops? Which do you think is better? I like them both for different reasons, and I think the shopkeepers, they like them both for different reasons as well. But now I'm going to go into Shoes Centre. Shoe Centre's right there. If you've been here before, let me know in the comments. Let's take a look around, get some prices, and we'll see what the quality's like. So there's a couple of bags when you first walk in the shop, but straight away it's a big shop, you know, very big shop. People were saying to me all the time, Craig, you got the same shops, you got the same shops. Well, now I'm in Grand Bazaar. I'm having a look around, shopping about, and see if we can get some bargains there. Who is wearing them like? You will always find some places that they have different things to anywhere else, and this is no different. Look, looking at these Prada ones, the leather ones. Again, shoes that you don't see in some other shops. So it all depends on what you're looking for. You got sandals over this side as well. Just spotted like the Nike ones that I wear.
Which
Maybe
one?
I'll get it.
I have adult one. We have also kids one too.
So these kids ones there, you see the grey and red. These ones. Let me show you on there. Show you on here. How much are them ones for kids?
It's just £10.
No.
Yes. Kids
Really?
One. Always like 10, 15 pounds
Wow.
off the kids one.
I do like a bargain, mate. I like a bargain. What size do they start from?
They start like size 12 and 2. 12, 13, 1, 2.
But you've got them in a size 2?
Yes.
Sure with Teddy's size 2. Maybe I need to check with Rochelle. So you do super clone need as well?
This one.
Oh, nice, mate.
This one. Here is super clone one.
So if someone comes in and they want normal shoes, they'll shop the other parts of the shop. But if they want super clone,
I have also.
they'll come to the back of the shop and you get best. And which one's the most popular?
Most popular.
First,
one.
what's the most popular super clone?
In super clone.
Super clone, which is the popular one?
This one. We sell maybe like
Yeah?
this one. Last one. You can see all the details.
And when people check the quality of this, the details are the same.
they
the
will
weight.
understand, you know.
If they know the shoes, they'll understand with this.
Yes, of course. And I have this LV one. Look, that one. We have 3 quality. Like just cheap one.
Yeah.
Normal one and super clone one. This super clone one.
Nice, mate. Nice.
Look, I have this just normal one.
Are you on social media as well? Are you on Facebook or?
We have Facebook. Like we do shipping also. Free pickup service. I have everything.
You do free pickup service?
Yes, also.
Oh, okay, mate. Plenty of pairs for the missus if they want to go shopping. Plenty of sandals there as well. So on non-super clone, then what's the most popular ones?
Look, that one. This Hermes is very popular in this year. We sell a lot of this one. 2026 season.
And
This
how much do you sell these for?
This one just 25 pounds.
25?
Yes.
What about 20?
I do deal, no problem.
Is that-
When
yeah.
they like come in your TikTok account,
Yeah.
they will tell your name. We do like £150. We spend £150.
Yeah.
We give 1 shoes free, no problem.
Oh,
Yes, good
nice,
thing.
mate, nice.
Yes, yes.
Well, these white ones, yeah, the white, you're having a size 42.
Can I-
Haggle down straight away. How many years have you been here?
Like my father's been 20 years in here. 2007 they opened this shop.
Yeah?
Before outside the bazaar we have 1 shop.
Right.
Now, this is new shop. Like
So
20 years.
your dad opened this shop?
Yes.
Yeah. Where is your dad? Where is Baba?
He's going Siverek now.
Oh, he's in Siverek. Oh, nice. Jason said he wants a pair of them Hermes. Do you know what? I haven't actually seen them anywhere before, so I'm glad I've came in. Cheers for showing me them, mate, because they're nice. You have 42 in them. And do you have a 2 in the kids' Air Max? I will ask him, because maybe he's not a 2, they look big. I'll phone my missus. Do you remember when this was all Bazaar? What colour was this?
This is red color.
This was red?
Yes.
So how will people find it now?
Now, like, I do TikTok video when they, like, Atatürk State, you know that?
What's your TikTok?
Shoe Center Marmaris.
Shoes Centre Marmaris. Yes. Shoes with an S or shoe?
Shoes.
Shoes Centre Marmaris on TikTok. Let me show you exactly where it is. So this is the old red line, I guess you'd call it. So you've got Ferrer there, you've got Valentino there, you've got a smoke shop over there as well and souvenirs. And then you've got Shoes Centre just here. You've got Pink Line down there. This used to be the old red one. But if you look now, the ceiling's gone. New floor, new walls. Mentioned smoke shop. He's got thinking over there because yesterday I went past. I went, I don't smoke. What about these Uggs, mate?
This is just £15.
Ah, football shoes as well.
Yes, boss. For kids and adults. Hermes one we have for men's section also. Look there.
Yeah, yeah. Plenty of different TNs as well. Mate, big size shop. So are you working every day, you?
We work like 8 to 12.
8 till 12 every day?
Every day.
Absolute grafter,
Mostly.
mate. Grafter.
TikTok as well.
And TikTok.
Yes, boss.
I came for this naughty little offer. A large bottle of FE's, 130 Turkish lira, which it's 60 lira to the pound. 120 will be £2. Another 10 lira on top, just over £2 for a large ice cold FE's. Cheap, mate.
Cheaper than water.
Very cheap.
100.
Cheaper than water.
Cheaper than water.
Cheaper than water.
Very nice.
Cheaper than water. That's a large FE's, Alibaba
Very
kebab
nice.
house. So we have Alibaba here, large FE's, £2, just over.
Nice to meet you, my brother. Welcome. Welcome to Alibaba restaurant. My name is
Cheaper than water, cheaper than water.
Shoplifting, cheaper than shoplifting. Very cheap. Thank you very much. I love you.
Tamam,
Amen.
sağ ol,
Thank you,
sağ ol.
thank you, sir. Thank you.
I see you on Facebook
Oh,
all the time.
how we doing? All right? You all right?
England.
That's it. You all right, love?
Yeah.
So I like to do a little shopping around. Have you found any bargains?
Videos on Facebook all the time.
Oh, thank you. Appreciate that.
That's all right.
How long you out for?
I love you, my brother.
Hey,
How long you out for?
we're going back next Friday. Came off Monday.
All right, we're off Tuesday. We're just doing Monday. Sorry, just 1 week.
Yeah,
So
where are you from?
Middlesbrough, Teesside. You?
Clifford, isn't it?
Oh, Cleethorpes.
Yeah.
Oh, we played them in the league as well, Cleethorpes.
Yeah. But yeah, what's
Oh,
your
nice to meet you. Now finish me £2 pints at Alibaba kebab house. So good, so good. Sweet Caroline. Bop, bop, bo. Right, everyone, I am here in Marmaris at Zane's clothes shop. You can see Zane's just behind me there. Across the road is N Baba Donna, where I do like a nice meat wrap from there, because I love me grub. We're going to take a look in Zane's, where you can now pick up the magazine sunnymarmaris.uk. The magazine's just over here as well. Even if you're not buying, you can still come to Zane's, you can grab a magazine, and then take a look around and see what all the fuss is about and why Zane in Armatelin has so many returning customers. So for everyone who's watching, please share the post if you haven't already. You've got Mbaba there, you've got Red Rose Cafe on the corner. So Rochelle's already in here somewhere. Even when Zane's is busy, it's always immaculately clean and tidy. So at Zane's on this side, you've got some tracksuit tops over here, jackets, jeans over here on the left. We like this one as well. Shirt, trouser sets, I get loads of the sets from here as well at Zane's. Liking these. Again, with Zane's, you'll go around and the prices are dotted around as well. Love that. And Zane's also has a massive kids' clothes section as well. So on this side, originally years ago, Zane's was just one shop. Now they've gone through this side and it's full of kids' clothes, kids' coats, babies, toddlers over there, and then all the way around. Shirts, t-shirts and short sets, coats again, all behind me here. And loads at the back before he then goes into adults in the corner again. Sets, £10, shirts, the t-shirts and the shorts.
£15.
Perfect. Oh, you got the nicer ones. Oh, look at them. Sophie, I want one of them for the baby.
I think they're a bit big for the baby, but I don't know if they can fit in one.
So we like to shop around in Zane's. We get things for the kids, we get things for ourselves. Rochelle likes the tracksuits next door, because there's a few people in next door. I've came straight to the kids' room. Then I've Got myself a pair of jeans. Oh, there's the England top. Everyone ready for the World Cup? Jeans over in this section, as well as men's jumpers just over here. Yeah, see if they have 2XL in that. So right at the back in this room as well, they have the thicker quality clothing. So a lot of people think these are better because they're thicker, and to be fair, they do wash really well. But Zane sells them at a really cheap price as well. Look at that. Dirt cheap. 2XL, yeah?
Yeah.
Right, let's go back in this room. All right, Zane.
Yes, mate, you're right.
Good, mate, good. So you know where we are. There's Bobby over there, Yorkshire Indian. This is Zane's in Armatellen. You can get a copy of this magazine, Sunny Marmaris. You can download it online, sunnymarmaris.uk, and it is packed. It's like your own little tour guide, travel guide for Marmaris and İçmeler. Pick that up, it's free, it's bigger than ever before. It's got the best map in it we've ever made. So if you're lost in the area, you want to know where Grand Bazaar is, the Marina, Blueport Mall, Blue Bay Platinum, all the way over to İçmeler, to Armatellen, where the McDonald's are. It's all in that magazine, sunnymarmaris.uk. Right, so now at the end of the night, we've now came to a traditional kebab house just opposite Blueport Mall, just opposite McDonald's, and down one of the side streets you've got traditional Turkish cuisine, kebabs, koftas, pita, pizzas, and I've gone for a cheese and sucuk pita. Perfect, mate. Thank you very much. So look at this. All the prices are up dirt cheap, by the way. If you want a chicken wrap, you get a chicken wrap for less than £3. And that's why it's good sometimes to come off the beaten track,
I'm not eating that.
come away from where everybody else is looking, and go down the little side streets, and you'll get the bargains. Oh. Good morning, everyone, from a beautiful sunny İçmeler. This is actually İçmeler Old Town. So straight up there, obviously it'll take your best bargain buys. You've got Robin Hood right there. And here, where I am today this is the lounge restaurant, lounge bar here in İçmeler. Now here they do breakfast from £4.50, but obviously I am dad, loves food, and I love my scran. So we're not going for a standard breakfast. We're going for a Dad Loves Food created breakfast, which will be available. That was crazy, by the way. Not just going to fall off. Which will be available for £10 from the lounge all season, and you will wait until you see it. Wait until you see this breakfast. It's going to be massive. He said, Craig, what do you want on? I was like, this, sausage, bacon, bah. And we're creating the Dad Loves Food mega breakfast at the lounge. So wait until you see it. Don't go anywhere, and subscribe to me, Dad Loves Food, on YouTube. Cheers for watching, everyone. Get ready for the brekkie. Look at this breakfast. This is the Dad Loves Food special. Dad Loves Food mega breakfast at the lounge in İçmeler. It's that big. The toast comes separate. 4 toast, 4 eggs, 2 bacon, 2 black pudding, 2 sausage, 2 beans, 2 croquettes, potato croquettes, 2 grilled tomatoes, plenty of mushrooms, and 2 portions of beans. £10. Bosh. Right, so there's only one more thing to do, and that's dig in to this Dad Loves Food mega breakfast for a tenner. One of the big questions of a full English is, do we have brown sauce or do you have ketchup? Put it in the comments and let me know. So I've just seen the guy coming in there with the bacon, and this is proper bacon, thick. Love the black pudding with the brekkie. Now sometimes you come out to Turkey, you can get a breakfast here for £4.50 at the lounge, and I didn't just want to double it because I wanted more on. I wanted black pudding extra. I wanted some sort of potato on my dish, so I got croquettes. So it's almost like a mix between the English and the Scottish, but more than double. And for a tenner, really good breakfast. Oh. Is there a need for 4 toasts? Is there a need for 4 eggs? Probably not. But when they're knocking out brekkies from £4.50, so if you want a cheap breakfast, you can come and have one. If you wanted a double, you can double it. But if you want a Dad Loves Food one, which is like a mix between 2 English and a bit from the Scottish, like black pudding, like potato croquettes, get a Dad Loves Food mega breakfast for a tenner. All over that. So the reason we put 2 black pudding on this, because I love black pudding, do you know what I mean? So otherwise you could just have 2 double normal breakfasts. I added black pudding and croquettes onto it. Make it a mega breakfast, you know what I mean? Absolutely banging. Love that. Well played, the lounge in İçmeler. Now I'm going to polish it off. And don't go anywhere because this YouTube is going to get longer. Right, so after 1-2 drinks in the Blues Brothers bar.
Oh, really nice.
In İçmeler, 1-2 drinks, Blues Brothers bar. Twister cocktails, unbelievable.
Yeah,
I think Rochelle will love that. We've now came for one of the coldest pints you will ever find across Marmaris and İçmeler at LFC Sports Bar in İçmeler. Chin chin.
No, I took.
Wow. Morning everyone. It is 10 to 8. It's 7:50 AM in Marmaris, and I've just got in the lift here at Club Ida. Beautiful hotel, by the way. And today is a little bit different. We're not sticking around Marmaris. We're actually going to Rhodes, Greece.